It's all about the heat that we're going to be dealing with today, and even a few thunderstorms. Looking outside, beautiful sunrise this morning. See some of the clouds there in the distance where we're seeing some of those storms bubbling up. Enough moisture in the atmosphere that where you do find the storms, you're going to find some heavier downpours. These are going to be fairly isolated, but it's just all about the heat and humidity the next several days. In fact, waking up in the upper 70s to the lower 80s already. So we're just not getting relief from the heat in the overnight hours. And with the hot temperatures in the day, that's why we have that excessive heat warning. Dew points again in the low to mid 70s right now. They're going to climb even farther or even more into the mid to upper 70s today and tomorrow. So again, few storms out there from Carroll to around Ames, some downpours, more widespread precipitation to the north and east, even down around Omaha getting wet right now. So most of these are going to be hit and miss this morning. We'll have a dry afternoon. Northeastern Iowa may see a few more storms bubbling up later today, but most of the convection is going to stay really in the parts of Wisconsin, Minnesota, even Illinois as well, where they could see some potential stronger and even severe storms, and they've been seeing that in the overnight hours as well. So the forecast for today, we're going to jump to the lower 90s by lunchtime. Look at those heat index values later this afternoon, triple digits really statewide for us. So again, as we take a look here at the hour by hour, we'll see the clouds probably this morning linger about in some areas, but then it'll be mostly all sunshine in the afternoon. Like I mentioned, maybe a few storms north and east. Temperatures today mid to upper 90s, waking up tomorrow morning hot. I mean, we're talking upper 70s to lower 80s, so that's why we're just not getting much relief. If you don't have air conditioning, there's going to be cooling centers. Maybe you want to find or head to the mall, the library, anything to just kind of stay out of the heat. If you're working outside, take those frequent breaks, wear the lightweight clothing, as we're going to approach probably between about 97 and 100 tomorrow here for the metro. Most of us tomorrow. This is going to be the hottest day of the week. In fact, as we look at the extended forecast, that excessive heat warning continues through Saturday. Now, Saturday afternoon into the evening, we could see a few storms moving in with a cold front. Look at this. That cools us down into next week, Monday and Tuesday, lower 80s. Finally, some drier air, more comfortable coming in next week. Looks like we'll start off next week dry as well under a mostly sunny sky.